Today I've got a scrap wood project for you that I think is going to be fun and a little unusual. I'm going to be taking scrap wood like this and doing a charred wood project. So come along with me so you can find out what we're going to do. It's going to be a lot of fun. My name is James and this is Homestyle Woodcrafts. For this scrap wood project, I'm going to be charring my wood on a bed of coals, and I've got a chimney that I use for Dutch oven, starting my Dutch oven coals right here, getting the coals going. Okay, so the coals are ready, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay the pieces out here to char like this, and I'll be able to use my Dutch oven tongs to rotate them as needed. I'm just going to kind of put them all out here. The little stuff will burn off. That's fine. And then I'll rotate as needed. Okay, so you can see we're making some progress on those bigger pieces. Okay, it's time to show you what I made with a simple scrap wood, charred wood project. Here it is. Voila. Oh yeah. That is so good. Okay, that's one of the best scrap wood projects I've ever made. I hope your next scrap wood project is just as good as that one. Hey, thanks for watching. We gotta have fun sometimes, right?